Adulterate, to debase or make impure by addition of inferior substances. The merchant was caught adulterating his goods. Adverse, unfavorable and harmful. The adverse weather blocked their journey. Aesthetic, relating to beauty. The garden's aesthetic delighted all visitors. Affable, friendly and good-natured. The affable baker greeted everyone with a smile. Affectation, artificial behavior to impress. The peacock's affectation amused and unnerved his friends. Affinity, natural liking and connection. They shared a deep affinity for music and nature. Agenda, a plan or goal. The team reviewed the agenda for the day's meeting. Affluent, having a great deal money and wealthy. The affluent fox lived a life of luxury. Relating to cultivated land and farming. The village had a simple, agrarian lifestyle.